I'm Eric and I am here to introduce you to the idea behind Condence and to demonstrate how Condence can help you excel your maintenance organization. Condence is a technological platform for predictive and prescriptive remote monitoring of mechanical rotating machines to last longer, produce more and perform better, and to make sense of the complex data involved in these processes. The aim is to make proper asset management easy and simple across your entire fleet of machines. With Condence, monitoring on a large scale is as easy as monitoring one device. This includes challenging applications like planetary gearboxes, slowly or extremely fast rotating machines and reciprocating ones, but also more common objects like pumps, fans and electric motors. The Condence technology matches with a wide range of off-the-shelf accelerometers and sensors, but also with more specific smart sensors and allows a combination of measurements. For instance, vibration can be combined with oil analysis, or you can add temperature, current, pressure, flow, humidity, or whatever floats your boat. Condence is brand independent and delivers automated edge analytics to simplify complex tasks into planned and organized ones, so you can focus where it matters. Because we believe that a one-size-fits-all solution does not apply, we have designed the Condence platform such that machines across all process criticality levels in your plant can be monitored in one and the same system. We divide these levels into 3 comprehensive categories that balance well between your needs and your wallet: easy, basic and advanced. These are designed for you to deploy a hybrid of solutions wrapped into one platform. Condence Easy is meant for less critical machines where late-stage alerts deliver enough reaction time to repair or to replace the device, supported by a short-term forecast. This is easy and quick to deploy and is highly suitable to automate routine tasks. This way, much time can be spared on the manual monitoring routes. Condence Basic is for mid-critical machines and gives earlier warnings, but these are still mainly overall levels of the machine. This also suits for small devices that cannot be monitored with a wireless sensor, like submerged pumps. Another popular use for the basic terminal is to connect smart sensors for lubrication or hydraulic oil monitoring. The Condence Advanced is built to optimize maintenance. Early detection of developing issues provide optimal lead time to plan and prepare for maintenance. Not only delivers Condence Advanced insight into the health of the machine component, but on a sub-component level, it can detect an emerging hair fracture, tells you exactly where it is, and provides you with a long-term forecast on when the issue will become your problem. It also shows the need for bearing lubrication and, perhaps more importantly, when not to lubricate. With Condence, the machine calls for a doctor when it needs one and confirms its health status when it doesn't. And when issues do start to develop, it indicates how long it takes before your attention is needed and what to do about it. In short, you know when to act, where to act, and how to act. Sounds good? Then visit our product page for more details or book an online demo. Or you can just send me an email or give me a call where you can tell me more about your challenges, and together we can find out how to help you best. For regular updates, subscribe to our newsletter and follow the Distance LinkedIn page. For now, thank you for watching. Talk soon.